Hey folks, it's Stu from Limitless. So today we're out commissioning an awesome KNX system which controls all the heating, the lighting, the blinds, the curtain, the windows, all that kind of good stuff. And I'm going to show you how we use this little Flir thermal camera to calibrate the heating. So what we have in here is the beautiful Gira E2 range. We've got these in matte white and we've got all the buttons engraved as you do. But we also have these, actually believe it or not, these have got temperature sensors in them. But these ones have thermostats in them. So what we want to do is use this little thermal camera by Flir and just check that the temperature we're getting here is what we're actually receiving in the room. Beautiful. So, sweet. Awesome. So these are doing exactly what we wanted to do. But if they weren't, we know we have to go in and calibrate the thermostat in each one of these, which we don't, which is beautiful. Boom.